Okay, as you can see, I've already written out the question. I have the balanced equation going across. I have written out the masses given in the question, and the question is how much fluorine will I actually produce. So in order to work out this one, I need to work out the limiting reagents. So therefore you can only produce as much as your least ingredient. So let's check on these ingredients. Now the relative molecular weight of this one here is going to be equal to 121.8 plus 5 times 19. Make sure you use your brackets because they are less likely to make adding up errors when you're doing your molecular weights. That gives us a total of 216.8 units. Now the moles is equal to the mass divided by the molecular weight, so 8.75 divided by 216.8. That gives us the amount of moles equal to 0.04036. Okay, over to here, check our other ingredient. How many moles do we have here? So the molecular weight is going to equal to bracket 2 times 39.1 plus 54.94 plus 6 times 19, which gives us a molecular weight equal to 247.14. The number of moles is the mass, 5.32, divided by its molecular weight of 247.14. So that gives me a moles of 0.02153. Now it doesn't matter which one of these two that you choose, so in order to work out which one is the limiting reagent. So I'm going to pick this one here. Now these are the moles that I have. So I want to work out how many moles I need of this reactant. Okay, so it goes from a 4 to a 2. So the mole ratio is going to be times by 2 over 4 because it's getting smaller, so I choose the smaller fraction. So the moles that I need will be equal to that 0.04036 times by the mole ratio. So 2 over 4, which is a half, times by 0.04036. So the moles that I have, the moles that I need will be equal to 0.02018. Now, how much do I need compared to how much I have? Well, obviously I have more than what I need, so therefore this one is in excess. So this is now the limiting reagent. Okay, so it goes from a 4 to a 1. So the moles of fluorine that I have will be equal to 1/4 of 0.04036. So the moles of fluorine will be 0.01009. So the mass is equal to the moles times its relative molecular weight. So the mass is equal to 0.01009 times by 38. So the mass of fluorine produced is equal to 0.38342 grams. Now, given we have three significant figures here, we're going to express the mass as like that as well. So 0.383 grams. Okay, what happens if I had chosen this one instead of that one to work out my limiting reagent? Okay, so this is what we have. So what is my mole ratio? It goes from a 2 to a 4, so it gets larger. So I'm going to multiply that by 4 over 2. So 4 over 2, or timesing it by 2, by the amount there, 0.0213. And that gives me, 53. That gives me 0.04306. As you can tell, this is larger than what I have. So what I need is more than what I have. So therefore it still tells me it is the limiting reagent. So it doesn't matter which one you choose to work out the limiting amount, you will still end up with the correct one for here to work out the correct amount for fluorine. Okay, I hope that is fine by you.